Similar shapes. We're going to look at how to find missing lengths in similar shapes. So here we have two quadrilaterals. They are mathematically similar. Work out the length LP. Going to put an X there. Okay, so we need to work out a scale factor first. So DC, that length is similar to PN. So to work out the scale factor, if we do 9 divided by 6, 1.5. So to get from the small shape to the big shape, we times by 1.5. And to go from the big shape to the small shape, we divide by 1.5. Now, AD is 5. So 5 times by 1.5 will give us the length of LP, 7.5. Work out the length of BC, call that Y. MN is similar to BC. We're going from the big shape to the small shape though, so we need to divide. 8. Okay, let's just look at another example. So here we have similar triangles. Now, ABP, I'm going to draw here. Is similar to PXY. But we've got to be careful here before I label those bottom corners. So now P and P are the same angles. So similar shapes, similar triangles rather, specifically triangles, are similar if all three angles are the same. You can see one triangle is a direct enlargement of the other triangle. So angles P are the same. And what other angles are the same though? So these sides here are parallel. So I have an alternate angle here, Z angle. So can we see A is the same as Y? And similarly, if I did my Z the other way around, B is the same size as the angle X. So I'm going to put B here and X here. Okay, so let's just label our sides. AB is 6. XP is 12.5. XY is 15. Okay, we work out the length of BP. So AB is similar to YX. So we can get our scale factor by using those lengths. 2.5. So to get from the small triangle to the big triangle, we're multiplying by 2.5. And to go back, we're dividing by 2.5. Work out the length BP. So BP is similar to PX. So 12.5 divided by 2.5, which is 5. So the length of BP is 5 centimetres. Okay, question 2. BE is parallel to the length CD. And we've got the lengths given, calculate the length ED. I find it really useful to draw out the triangles separately. AEB is a smaller triangle, and the similar triangle is ADC, the larger one. AB is 9. AC is 9 plus 3, which is 12. AD, we don't know. CD is 7. we want to calculate the length ED. So I'm going to put a X here. And I forgot to put AE on is 6. So scale factor. AB is known, AC is known. So we can use those two lengths to find the scale factor. 1.3 recurring. I'm just going to leave my answer as 4/3. So I can use the 4/3 in any calculations to keep an accurate answer. Now I'm going to find AD, which will help me then find ED. So from the smaller triangle to the bigger one, we times. Going back, we divide. So 6 times 4/3 is 8. So the whole length is 8, and AE is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2 centimetres for ED. So AED is equal to 2. Part B, calculate BE. Moving from the bigger to the smaller, put a Y here. So we need 7 divided by 4/3, which is 5.25. So that is the length for BE. Okay, question 3. Let me draw out the triangles. Oops. Excuse the wiggly lines. ABE, ACD. We've got 4. AC is 4 plus 6, which is 10. AE 4.8, BE 5. And just to discuss, which I didn't really in question 2, why the angles are all the same. We have corresponding angles here, F angles. So ABE is the same as BCD, A is the same as A, and then corresponding angles, AEB is the same as ADC. So because we have two triangles with the same angles, parallel, not parallel, similar. Okay, so calculate the length CD. CD is this one here. I'm going to put an X here. Right, we need a scale factor, so I'm going to use 4 and 10 to get my scale factor. So 10 divided by 4, 2.5. So from the smaller to the bigger we times, bigger to the smaller we divide. So 5 times 2.5, 12.5. So ACD is equal to 12.5. Part B, ED. ED is here. I'm going to put Y. I need AD first. So 4.8 times 2.5 will give me AD. 12. And then 12 minus 4.8 will give me ED, which is 7.2. So B, ED is equal to 7.2. Okay, last question here, number 5. Okay, so just be careful here. So BAC is the same as CED. We've got alternate angles, Z angles here. So when I'm drawing out my triangles, I'm going to have C as the top angle. And my ABC triangle here. But A is the same as E. So I'm going to put E over here and D here. So C is the same, A is the same as E, and B is the same as D. Let's label now. A to B is 6, A to C is 8, CD 13.5, DE is 9. So let's use ED and AB to get our scale factor. 9 divided by 6, 1.5. Okay, calculate the length CE. So CE is similar to AC. So it's 8 times 1.5, 12. So CE is equal to 12. Part B, let's get BC. So 13.5 divided by 1.5 gives us BC is 9.